In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase download speed on Chrome. We'll keep it simple and practical, walking through a few quick changes that can help Chrome move your downloads along faster. First, open Google Chrome. Once it's up, look to the top right corner for the three dots, also known as the Chrome menu. Click that, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, find the section called Privacy and Security. This is where you can clear out old clutter that may slow things down. Click Clear Browsing Data to free up space. When that panel opens, take a moment to review what will be deleted. Removing cached images and files can reclaim storage and help Chrome perform more smoothly. But remember that clearing cookies and site data can sign you out of some sites. Choose what you're comfortable with, then confirm to clean things up. Next, we'll enable a built-in Chrome feature that can accelerate downloads. Click the address bar at the top and type Chrome, /flags, then press Enter. This takes you to Chrome's experimental features page. These options are safe to explore when you know what you're changing, but they're not all finalized, so proceed with care. In the search box on that page, type Parallel Downloading. You should see an option with that name appear. On the right side of that option, open the drop-down and select Enabled. Parallel downloading helps by splitting a file into smaller parts and downloading those parts at the same time, which can speed things up on many connections. After enabling it, refresh your browser so the change takes effect. If you see a button to relaunch Chrome, go ahead and click it. That simply closes and reopens Chrome with your settings applied. Once Chrome is refreshed, you're ready to try your next download. Finally, make sure you're using a good internet connection. Speed improvements inside Chrome can only do so much if your network is unstable. Ideally, connect to a strong Wi-Fi signal or plug in with an Ethernet cable for the most reliable speeds. Keep large background downloads or streaming on other devices to a minimum while you're grabbing big files. And if you're using a laptop, stay close to your router to reduce interference. That's it. By clearing out old data, enabling parallel downloading, and using a solid connection, you give Chrome the best chance to deliver faster downloads. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your files quicker and with less hassle.